How to put thumbnail on your video using YouTube Studio app. Check the link on the description to download this app. Go to the Play Store and search for YouTube Studio. Click install if you haven't installed it yet. After downloading the app, go to the app. Click Get Started. If you have YouTube account, it directly sign in. Click the video that you want to edit. Click Edit Thumbnail. Click Custom Thumbnail. And save. When you're done editing your thumbnail, go to the YouTube app. Go to the library and click your videos.